sitting in. Yeah, sniff where your ass just was.
This bike goes hard. This is already my favorite. Look at the little flames. They got that design on Fiverr.
It's the same one, copy and pasted.
Carbon fiber. It's fake carbon fiber.
Is it really?
It looks pretty cool on camera.
Does it?
No. It's like the Tesla. That's really cool. There are a lot of parts we've not had this
It comes
many
with a
parts.
bike lock.
Yeah, it's got the lock. I don't know
Oh,
what
it's a
this
5
is.
number.
Can't memorize a number that long. What is your shirt?
It's Warframe, it's a Kubro.
Oh.
If anyone plays Warframe out there and you...
That's not making it into the cut. We just lost 70% retention. There's a table of contents. This is bad.
Did you feel the quality of the bike?
Oh. Okay, 33 pages of instructions. It claims to go 38 miles an hour. Apparently it goes 130 miles on a charge. I'm just tall enough to ride it. Recommended height 5'3 plus. So take out the disc brake from the toolbox and install it. That's the installation instructions. Install.
Well, you're gonna scratch up your floor.
Frick the floor, we have cool bike. Okay, I am mentally ill. You're supposed to put the brake on the wheel, not on the bike. And it actually says to put the brake on the wheel, not on the bike. And I said that out loud 3 times.
I like how I'm staring directly into your studio light. I'm fat and lazy. Happy Run. Oh, Happy Run.
Someone stole my bike the other day. At first I was pretty bummed out about it.
Do something interesting.
I have no ideas. I actually have nothing going through my head right now.
My hands are tired.
I wish the whole bike was the color of that button. That's a sexy color. Yeah, any paint color in the world, and they picked mustard.
And brown.
The paint factory had a discount on the shitty colors. Okay.
Half of this footage is...
Oh!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I mean,
I
do you
guess
see
I
what
should
it's
try
balancing on? Good night, sweet prince. He's still single, by the way. He still needs a girlfriend. He needs a boyfriend for Pride Month. It looks like we live at a frat house. There's 2 types of alcohol. There's Prime, there's off-brand Coke, there's a ton of Red Solo cups.
I think I stripped all of these. I can't tighten them.
The tire's uneven. You can see it, it's loppy, it's lopsided when it spins.
It looks really bad. It goes in.
Oh, does it?
Like it goes up and in.
This is the one that kills you. This video will never see the light of day.
I'm trying to not get stimulated by the bike here.
I wonder, have it upside down, go hard on the throttle, just Why is it so loose?
I don't know.
See, you said you'd tighten it later, but how are you gonna prop it up? Oh my god. Why didn't you just tighten it while you were
I
there?
didn't want to.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You shouldn't hold it up by the handlebars attached to wires. There's that gamer hunch.
This is such an awkward... Why is your hair on me?
It's what happens when a woman lives in a house.
I'm edging my G100.
The sponsor of today's video.
The sponsor of today's video. They're not
Edging.
paying me.
They should pay you with how much work you have to put in.
Normally people pay for products. I don't know what that's like, but I hear it sucked. This, I'm too short for this. I can't get on it.
There's so many extra parts. Like, it feels like it's done. You just connect the handlebar, and yet there's still a whole counter of little bits and pieces.
The chair's so annoying. So what is all that little gunk from?
What?
What's all the little wax?
I thought it was... You have garbage stuck to your sock.
Wait, what?
Whoa, what?
That's all the assembly instructions.
Who the fuck is...
I don't know. For some reason, Lightly thinks I pay for all these bikes.
This is a sponsorship. The shrine hasn't been mentioned in a while.
R for radical.
I can think of a few things R stands for.
And L for Let's
Lightly.
go, gamers.
L for lightly, thinking that we buy these. If you want us to make fun of you, join discord.gg/goherping. This is the tire weight when you sit on it. SpongeBob, open the doors. My balls are stuck.
They really just got bored of writing the instructions and they're like, that's good enough.
Have you ever gotten fan mail?
Oh! I have fan mail to open in this video. That's so funny that you said that. It's like you just...
What a segue!
It's like that was scripted. I don't know who. It was someone from the server sent it. It's addressed to Go Herpes the Riz King, and the mailing store made fun of me and put a little smiley face on it. It's from Amazon, so I don't know who the sender was. Is it lube? Tyrannosaurus sext. On the internet, nobody knows you're an 8-ton Cretaceous carnivore.
Do they know you can't read, right?
Standing outside the high cement fence that surrounds the headquarters of High Tech Inc.
Is this fetish material?
It is. It's long. It must be dexterous. Prehensile. It's just dinosaur smut. Once her clothes are on the floor, she the dinosaur's. It takes both hands, rubbing over. As she touches Rex, his continues to. It's thick as a soda can and with a to it that makes to water. I can't include this. Story 2, 9.5 velociraptors.
9/11.
Story 3, triceratops and bottoms.
Alright, well, thanks.
Anyway, now that I'm all bricked up,
I'm married!
what was I doing before? Not everything's together yet, but I think it's rideable now. So let's hook up our battery. It looks like someone cut it with a knife.
You should inflate the tires.
Oh, I need my little key tag. It has turn signals.
This isn't legal.
It's a twist throttle, which is so cool.
Send more smut to the P.O. box.
I won't complain.
I prefer furry. I don't. Speaking of inflation. No shoes, no helmet, no elbow pads.
It's not even fully built, but it works.